Hello, welcome to my channel, and it's all new now. I have changed it a bit. So now I'm going to tell you about an issue which we face when we start PUBG. I just started it, and it was via the GameLoop, the all new emulator. So it said that failed to start the emulator. The emulator was not properly closed. Please restart it. I did restarted it, but I faced the same issue again. So the thing that's happening is there is a process that is running in the background which I cannot close even after I restart my PC. So what you have to do is that just download this process hacker from the link I have given in the description, or you can just Google it and it will pop up. Just open it and then install it and then launch the process hacker. The thing you have to do is just find what is running. First I have closed the GameLoop, and now I'm going to open AOW. Just type it and you will see AOW.exe. This file is the cause that is causing the error. Just right click and terminate it. Now let's restart it, and you can see that it's restarting. That's open, and now just let's play. So it is loading, 96%, so it's running now. So enjoy. If you liked it, just subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.